my name is Lynn James. I'm a third grade teacher here at Adelaide. I've been here for 12 years. So we wanted to be able to expose the kids to some fun science experiments, and we just came up with this October-themed science experiments for the kids, and it stays in their brains a little bit more when they put their hands on it.
We did Play-Doh, and we put it in this bowl, and we put molds in it, and then we put plaster on it, and then when we come back next week, it's gonna be a fossil.
The second one, we did this mummy hand. You put Dawn soap in it with white vinegar, and then it went up the glove, and then it started like foaming. It was actually pretty cool.
And then after that, we did these weird sunlight pictures. After like 5 minutes, we took all of the stuff off, and there was this like weird shadow.
Science is such a great thing for kids because it can be so hands-on, and the more fun it is, the more they're going to remember it.